after you're done with your load and you don't have another load to go, it's good to leave it open at least. But what you want to watch out for is this ring here. You want to make sure that it's dried off. You can clean this every once in a while. I usually just leave it open and it does all right. But every once in a while you got to come in here and clean out the bigger stuff, because you'll get a rank, mildewy, nasty, and once you get that, then you're dealing with all sorts of soaps and stuff you don't probably want. Do that, it'll save you a lot of headache.